Hello everyone! Last week PCIM Europe was a blast. I was so happy to see all my friends and colleagues in Nuremberg. Thanks to everyone who had time for a chat or a quick hello. Glad to see the community growing. And now let's check. What is new in power semiconductors industry? DENSO Corporation, a leading mobility supplier in United Semiconductor Japan, a subsidiary of global semiconductor foundry United Microelectronics Corporation, announced a joint collaboration to produce IGBTs, which have entered mass production at the 300mm fab of United Semiconductor Japan. Their first shipment ceremony was held last week to mark this important milestone. It comes just 1 year after the companies announced a strategic partnership for this critical power semiconductor used in electric vehicles. Vishay Intertechnology introduced 17 new Generation 3 650V silicon carbide Schottky diodes. Featuring a merged pin Schottky design, the Vishay Semiconductors devices combine high surge current robustness with low forward voltage drop, capacitive charge and reverse leakage current to increase efficiency and reliability in switching power designs. onsemi announced the release of the latest generation of 1200V EliteSiC silicon carbide M3S devices, which enable power electronics designers to achieve best-in-class efficiency and lower system cost. The new portfolio includes EliteSiC MOSFETs and modules that facilitate higher switching speeds to support the growing number of 800V electric vehicle onboard charger and energy infrastructure applications, such as EV charging, solar and energy storage systems. Navitas Semiconductor announced their expanded portfolio into higher power markets with their leading-edge silicon carbide power solutions in SiCPAK modules and bare die. Target applications cover centralized and string solar inverters, energy storage systems, industrial motion, electric vehicle onboard chargers, EV roadside fast chargers, wind energy, UPS, bidirectional microgrids, DC-DC converters, and solid-state circuit breakers. Henkel announced the addition of Loctite Ablastick ABP 806A Ti to its growing portfolio of high thermal die-attach adhesives. The new pressureless sintering die-attach paste boasts the highest thermal capability in the company's semiconductor packaging portfolio, meeting performance requirements for high reliability automotive and industrial power discrete semiconductor devices. Semikron, Danfoss and ROHM Semiconductor have been collaborating for more than 10 years with regards to the implementation of silicon carbide inside power modules. Recently, Semikron Danfoss added ROHM's new 1200V RGA IGBT to its low power module offering. In doing so, both companies show that they remain committed to serving worldwide motor drive customers' needs. Infineon Technologies and Han High Technology Group, Foxconn, the world's largest electronics manufacturer and service provider, aim to establish a long-term partnership in the field of electric vehicles to jointly develop advanced electromobility with efficient and intelligent features. The Memorandum of Understanding focuses on silicon carbide development, leveraging Infineon's automotive silicon carbide innovations and Foxconn's know-how in automotive systems. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more power semiconductors market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or reach me on LinkedIn. Have a great day!